When it comes to getting information about the coronavirus, most people can turn on the TV to listen to a news conference, but for deaf and hard of hearing people in the Treasure State, there are some additional barriers. Evelyn Schultz introduces us to a woman you've likely seen signing on your screen.
Every step that we take
For 2 months, Vicki Gregori has stood next to Governor Steve Bullock at press conferences.
I was really glad to be home and around and available for it.
She must quickly translate the governor's words into American Sign Language.
I love ASL. I love being an interpreter. It's amazing.
While closed captioning is an option for some, it's not always accurate. Plus, reading English quickly can be a challenge for someone whose primary language is ASL. Masks are more common in these changing times, but Gregori can't wear one when she's interpreting. That's because some people read lips. Plus, she uses facial expressions to convey tone and urgency.
ASL is its own language with its own syntax, all those things. It's a visual, conceptual language.
COVID-19 has forced interpreters to adapt to new vocabulary with signs for words like coronavirus and quarantine.
There's a lovely network of interpreters around the country that discuss this stuff.
Gregori learned ASL as a teen. It became a career. And now, despite the current challenges, she says helping others get equal access to information is still rewarding.
Every time I make a mistake, which is every time, you go home and you think, I'm old enough. I don't need this anymore. I'm going to retire. But why would I? I still love it. It still makes me money, and I'm still doing a service.
Reporting in Helena, Evelyn Schultz, MTN News.
According to the Montana Association for the Deaf, Montana was one of the last states in the country to have an interpreter at those press conferences.